Hey guys, I wanted to try needle punching. I used extra yarn that I had from making my crocheted sweater. I bought this adjustable punch needle from Amazon, and it came with a piece of monk cloth. I used a frame from an old canvas and stapled the monk cloth tightly to the frame. I also taped the edges so that the cloth wouldn't fray. Then I drew a design. I set the punch needle to the 4th notch. I inserted the folded wire through the tip of the needle. Then placed the yarn through the loop at the bottom. I pulled the wire back up and went through the hole at the top. Punch the needle through the cloth all the way down to the handle and pull the end of the yarn so that it's on the back side. Drag the needle and punch another hole. My needle faced this direction. If you want to undo what you did, just pull the yarn off and scratch the cloth to help close the holes that you made. I made a smaller shape. I punched my next row of stitches in the center of the previous row of stitches. To end a section, I pulled a little extra yarn from the back and cut the loop. Then I filled in another section. I altered my design. I added dots to the section. For this wall hanging, I didn't cut the yarn after making each dot. I just dragged the needle to the next spot. Then I stitched around it. I changed my shapes again. After filling in the sections, I unraveled the outline, then filled it in. I removed the staples and made a border. I saw this in an Amy Oxford video, which is linked in the description. I made a 2-inch wide border and cut the corners at 3/4 of an inch. I folded the corners in, then folded the sides over twice. Then I ironed it. With a needle and thread, I made a whip stitch. To do this, knot the end of the thread a few times. Starting from under the border, bring the needle up and around the edge. Bring it through the monk cloth. Make sure that the thread doesn't show on the other side. whip stitch through both angles of the bottom corners. To turn it into a wall hanging, leave the top corners open. Only sew around one angle and sew the other side to the cloth. Knot it a few times, go under the border, and cut the extra thread. Add a dowel to hang it. I had extra cloth, so I made another piece. This time I used a 10-inch embroidery hoop. I tightened the monk cloth and taped the sides. I made a 9-inch circle, then added shapes. The punch needle was set to the 4th notch. I outlined the 3 shapes so that the holes would show through the back. I filled in everything else on this side. I undid the border and marked it on the other side. I punched it from the back. I wanted it a little taller, so I switched the needle to the 3rd notch. I made dots in the white shape. This time I cut the yarn after each dot. I added triangles to the base shape and dashes to the black shape. I removed the cloth from the hoop and made a border. I drew a circle at 5/8 of an inch and 1 inch from the rim. I folded the cloth at the rim and ironed it. Then I cut out the circle. Like the first piece, I folded it twice. Then I sewed it using a whip stitch. Then I ironed it. It still felt flimsy because I didn't add glue, so I cut out a 9-inch circle out of felt. Then I sewed it to the back using a whip stitch. I added stitches to the back of the 3 shapes to make the piece more sturdy. You could add a strip or loop to hang it. And here's how they turned out.